Location, location, location. Located in a super sweet neighborhood near Turkey Creek, Northrop, L3 Harris, great schools, shopping and highways. This split floor plan rancher offers 1,816 square feet of living and has a large fenced-in yard with plenty of space for a pool, parking for RV and boats. An open brick wood burning fireplace situated in your formal living area and through to your family room. Bedrooms with generous sized closets. An extra large laundry room. Fresh interior paint. French doors lead to your spacious Florida room. Backs up to a wooded area of Turkey Creek Park for much privacy. The 2-door pass-through garage. AC 2019. Hardwood and marble flooring underneath the carpets. Skylights. The list goes on. Do not miss this opportunity.